So guys, this is my okra soup with vegetable soup. You know, I really like this part, the eating part. You wouldn't blame me for eating, enjoying after cooking. After a hard job, it's not easy anyway. Oh, really, really, really. Vegetable. Soft, it's not crunchy, it's fresh and still soft. Guys, try this method. Like I always say all the time, the key to a tasty meal is in the way you season your meat. I usually season my meat before I even start recording. I season it down. I'm not a big fan of just putting your meat in the pot, add water, add some salt and some seasoning, and you start cooking. I really advise you to season your meat at least 10-15 minutes before you start. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make okra soup with vegetables. I would like you to see what I've got here. I've got the okra here and the fish as usual. If you've been following my channel, you know I normally soak my fish. So this fish is soaked with hot water so that it will be soft. And I've got my palm oil here. I've got my Maggi and all-purpose seasoning. Like you all know, I do not use salt because the all-purpose and the Maggi already has salt. For health reasons, because as we're growing old, we have to try and cut down on certain things like salt, which is not too good for our blood pressure. And this is my okra. And I've got my meat here already seasoned as usual with the all-purpose and the Maggi. I have shaki here and beef. And I have my stockfish here. I've boiled it already because it's hard, as you know, it's tough. So normally I boil the stockfish before I start cooking. And this is my crayfish and pepper here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the stockfish into this pot of meat. So I have to continue boiling it with the meat so it will be very soft. So I'm going to add the crayfish, is already blended, and pepper. Like I always tell you, when you add your crayfish and pepper to boil your meat, the taste is always very, very unique. You can try that and see. It's better than you just pouring your meat into the pot and just season it and start cooking. I always advise people to season their meat before. I give it for, if it's like soup you're cooking, just leave it for like 15-20 minutes after seasoning before you start cooking. It will always get the best results. So I'm going to cover this now and then start cooking it. There's no water in it as usual, so just allow the meat to bring out its water and cook. So we allow this meat to cook for like 20 minutes, then we come back to it. So this is my ugu here. So as you can see, it's not sliced and it's not washed yet. I'm going to wash it now. So I just want to give you guys one tip. So it's about 20 minutes now. We're just going to check how far. Oh, this is cooked. This is lovely. Let's see. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add some palm oil. Give it a stir. add some water. That should be enough. So I'm going to add about 2 cubes of Maggi. And the all-purpose seasoning, just a tablespoon. Then we'll give it a quick stir. So we're going to leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. Then we can add the vegetables. So guys, this is my vegetable, the ugu I was trying to talk to you about. It's live now. I've been having problem with my storage. I don't really understand what is happening. So I was trying to tell you guys that it's better to wash your vegetable before slicing it because of the sand that is usually on the vegetable. So if you slice it before washing it, it's still going to be sandy, and the vegetable, the nutrient, the whole of the nutrient, you just pour it away. So it's advisable for you to wash your vegetable before slicing it. In that way, you get rid of the sand and you still maintain the nutrient in it. So we'll just give it 5 minutes for the soup to boil. Then we add the remaining of the ingredients. Okay, 5 minutes. You can see it's boiling. So now we're going to add the okra. Add the ugu. So what we're going to do now, we're not going to stir the ugu, and we've added it. So we're just going to cover it and allow it to steam. So the steam will soften the ugu and it will still remain fresh. So we'll just leave it like this. So just allow the steam to soften the ugu instead of stirring it, and by the time you eat it, cook it and eat, it will be crunchy. It's better for the ugu to be soft. Just a quick steam and you're good to go. Okay, as you can see, the ugu is soft and it's still fresh. So that is the secret of cooking vegetable. If you stir it, immediately you pour it inside, it will take time to cook and it will still be crunchy. Although some people like it crunchy, but I think if you allow it to be soft and still fresh, it's the best. So it's ready now. Calabar style. Remember, I don't know if you know that Calabar people are the best cook in Nigeria. So I advise you to follow my channel. Just looking for the stockfish. So this is my okra and vegetable soup. You know, I really like this part, the eating part. You wouldn't blame me for eating, enjoying after cooking. After a hard job, it's not easy. No. Oh my God. Really, really, really. The vegetable, soft, It's not crunchy, it's fresh and still soft. Guys, try this method. Like I always say all the time, the key to a tasty meal is in the way you season your meat. I usually season my meat before I even start recording. I season it down. I'm not a big fan of just putting your meat in the pot, add water, add some salt and some seasoning, and you start cooking. I really advise you to season your meat at least 10-15 minutes before you start cooking, and you see the difference. This is really tasty. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I'll continue to supply you with tasty meal. I really wish you can taste my meal. But you have a choice though. Just try my method of cooking in your house, in your kitchen. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you see the difference between the way I cook. Seasoning your meat first before cooking. Thank you very much for spending your time to watch my video. Take care and God bless you. Please join me if you can. Bye.